Savannah Noel. Hi, baby girl. Are you on a mission? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going, baby girl? Going to Mom's office? Such a little scooter. I think it's time to baby proof. Puma. Hi, good dog. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Found paper. Ooh. Ooh, is that fun? Oh my goodness. And off she goes. Puma's that fun too. Savannah, what did you find? What did you find, little one?